Facebook ads is a form of advertising provided by Facebook that allows businesses to display their ads on the Facebook platform. These ads can appear on users' news feeds in the right-hand column of the desktop side and in the Stories feature on mobile. Businesses can create ad campaigns within the Facebook ads platform by setting up a Facebook business account and then creating a campaign. Choose the target audience, ad format, budget, and schedule. Businesses can also use Facebook's targeting options to reach specific demographics, interests, behaviors, and locations. When a user logs into Facebook, the ads are displayed in the user's newsfeed, and the ads are ranked based on a combination of the bid and the relevance and quality of the ad and the advertiser. The ad's performance is measured by various metrics such as impressions, clicks, and conversions. Facebook ads can help businesses to increase visibility, drive website traffic, generate leads, and increase sales by reaching the right audience at the right time. It's a cost-effective way to reach a large number of people in a specific target audience.